So yeah, we have a little Tug 20 that's ready to go to its new owner today. Just wanted to show this new boat because it's we've included a lot of new features on this boat. I just want to go and start at the back here. If we open this back port side hatch, you'll see at the bottom there's two plugs, and this is what I refer to as an interactive live bait well. If you undo those plugs, then the well basically just keeps exchanging water between the well itself and the body of water that the boat is floating in. And then on the front side of that, we have another little hatch here which has a partitioning separating the live bait well. Now, I refer to this as an ice box. It's got a little plug on the side. You put your cool drinks and all your other refreshments in there. At the end of the day, you just undo the plug and let the water drain out onto the boat and clear it off through the plug at the back, and a little duckbill scupper that we've now included as well on the boat, which makes it, I call it a semi-wet deck. It's not a complete wet deck, but it's now a semi-wet deck. And then on the starboard side, we have a box here where the battery tray is, and that's if somebody's got a motor that requires a battery for the starter. And then we've got two pipes that run under the deck from there to the front side of the boat underneath the casting deck, and you'll see there that's where they basically come out. So that's obviously so that one can run electrical cables between the back of the boat and the front of the boat without them lying around on the deck. And then if we move around to the front, we've got a nice little anchor hatch here, and then there's a little hole drilled there in the corner so that that can also drain from the anchor hatch out onto the deck and disperse the water out the back of the boat. And on the other side of the casting deck, we have another battery tray, and that's to supply power to the sneaker motor. There's the sneaker motor block, which has been incorporated into the mold of the deck. So that's all nice and neat. And then here we have a storage box and a seating box for passengers. It's got some nice little ropes on it to prevent the lid from being overextended, and prevent the screws of the lid being pulled out. And then also there we've incorporated a little cleat for the anchor, and that's obviously so that the anchor rope can be tied onto it. Previously that wasn't part of the Tug 20 build. And then we've also got some little rod holders that we installed on the side of the gunnels, and there you'll see on the side of the casting deck we've opened it up there so the tip of the rods can go and slide in underneath. So there it is. If I take a little snapshot view of the whole boat once all the boat lids are closed, it's a very neat little boat, ideal for one or two people with a motor that could fish basically any body of water, provided it's not in the open ocean. It's got a small light trailer, easy to run, easy to maintain, easy to maneuver and handle. So yeah, it's a lovely little boat, and I'm sure that the new owner is going to enjoy himself on it. Thanks. Cheers.